what's going on YouTube? My name is Sam. This is my 1998 Chevy Silverado Z71 Chevy pickup. And I'm having a no crank, no start issue. I've seen some videos on YouTube. They didn't help me. So this is the problem I'm having. Power comes on, obviously. Lights come on, obviously. Turn the key into basically starting position. I give it a crank. Clock goes out. Clock comes back on. Clock goes out when I try to start it. Another thing I also noticed, which I thought was kind of dangerous, give me some thoughts on this, because this is kind of weird. I can move it. I was not on the brake. It was not on the brake at one point in time. Not on the brake at one point in time. I can move it through all the gears. Reverse, neutral, drive, first, second, third, whatever the fuck you want to call it. The gears are up there. But anyways, I thought that was also kind of unsafe. But when you do this, turn the key in any of those positions, locks back up. Locks back up. Lights work, everything works on it. I just need some information on how to troubleshoot this situation. I have not replaced the ignition switch, or I saw a guy who did a hazard relay thing. I took it out. I have not replaced it, but I took it out and he told me it started just fine. I had the same issue. The truck did not start. What I possibly think it is there's a short somewhere in the vehicle. There's a short somewhere in the wiring up under here, or maybe in here. Not sure. I haven't took it apart yet, but I obviously want to figure this out myself. I don't want to pay $70 to get it towed just to get it down the street to the shop, because I also need to get my head gasket seals done, and also do two front tires, because these Mickey Thompsons I got are kind of grinding, so I'm getting worn out. So anyways, but that's what I got for you guys on YouTube. If you guys can maybe help me do a troubleshoot, because I've tried, the only thing I have not tried yet is giving it a jump. In case of those of y'all who think it's a battery issue, the battery tested good. So it's not the battery, obviously. I have a short somewhere in here. And another thing I noticed is usually when you turn this key and you hit the lights on, you'll have indicators show up on the dash, like security or something like that show up, but I got nothing, and I'm really just trying to turn it over, but I got nothing. So if y'all could help me out with this situation in a way of troubleshooting it, where I could get it to a shop, hit me up in the DMs. I'd really appreciate it. You guys have a good rest of your night. well, when this uploads, it'll probably be tomorrow. So have a good rest of your day or whatever. Okay. Thank you for your help. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.